Hello guys, welcome to another Arduino project. In this video, I will show you how we can interface a temperature sensor to an Arduino Uno board and then use a 3-digit 7-segment display to display the measured temperature. The temperature sensor I will be using is LM35. The benefit of using LM35 temperature sensor over other temperature sensors is that LM35 comes pre-calibrated. As you can see here in the datasheet, LM35 directly measures temperature in Celsius and it gives an output of 10 mV per Celsius. Having this temperature sensor pre-calibrated makes it much easier to use with Arduino Uno. And also it has wide operating range from 4 volt all the way up to 30 volts. And to interface with microcontroller, as you can see, we need to add few more components. A 0.1 microfarad bypass capacitor and a 75 ohm resistor together with 1 microfarad at the output for the stability of the output. So I'll do these connections on the breadboard quickly. Okay, the connections are done. Let's start with the programming. To interface LM35 temperature sensor, I am using one analog channel, that is A0, which is available on Arduino. The program to read temperature will require just reading the analog value of the temperature sensor from the pin A0. So we can use the already available code in the Arduino IDE. In this code, we are reading the sensor value from the pin A0 and displaying the output on the serial monitor. Let's upload this program and see. To see the output, we have to open the serial monitor. And in the serial monitor, you can see it is reading the value 108. This means that we are getting an analog output out of the temperature sensor. Now in the next step, we have to calibrate the temperature sensor to give the proper temperature value. Let's see how we can do it. Arduino Uno has a 10-bit ADC. That means Arduino will take the analog reference voltage value, which is by default 5 volt on Arduino Uno board, and it will divide it by a 10-bit binary value. That will be 1023, which will be approximately 4.8 millivolts. And it will multiply whatever the value we read. In this case, we are reading 180. And also LM35 will give a 10 millivolt output per degree of temperature measured. In order to improve the precision of reading the analog value, what we can do is we can reduce the reference voltage on the analog channel. By default, it is 5 volt, but on the Arduino boards, an A reference pin will be given, and on Arduino Uno board, it will be on the right side. We can set a reference voltage using a potentiometer on this pin, and whatever voltage we set here will get divided by 1023. Let's say if we set it to 2.5 volt, then 2.5 will be divided by 1023 and we'll get a resolution of 2.4 millivolt per unit value measured. So by reducing the reference voltage, we can improve the smallest possible value that we can measure. And I found that on Arduino Uno board, there is a 1.1 volt internal reference voltage, which we can activate in the setup function by using the command analog reference internal. Now this command will activate the internal 1.1 volt reference voltage. Now the Arduino will divide 1.1 volt by 1023. Which will give us a resolution of 1 millivolts. Now since LM35 will give 10 millivolt per degree output and we are able to measure 1 millivolt, that means we can measure the temperature with a resolution of 1/10 of a degree. In this code, it is measuring the value every 1 milliseconds. Let's change that to every half second. Let's upload this code and see on a serial monitor what value we are getting. Now you can see we are getting a value of around 260. So the value shown here is directly in millivolts. That means we are measuring a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius. Now we can improve the way it is displaying on the serial monitor a little bit. So to display the temperature properly, what we can do is simply divide this value by 10. Let's re-upload it and check the output. Now you can see it is showing the value directly in Celsius, but we are not seeing the decimal value. Earlier it was 24 degrees, so that means it cannot be exactly 23 degrees, but somewhere between 23 and 24. So in order to see the decimal value, we have to change the variable sensor value to float. Also, we can add few lines to say that it is temperature that we are measuring. Let's upload. And now you can see the temperature we are measuring has a resolution of 1/10 of a degree. This temperature is approximately accurate, but not too accurate. Now you can ask, why is it not accurate? Because our internal reference voltage is 1.1 volt, and when we divide it by the 10-bit value, that is 1023, we get 1.075 millivolt. And we are ignoring this 0.075 millivolts, which can create an error. In order to measure the temperature accurately, what we can do is write a simple equation. It is temperature equal to 1.1 volt into measured value divided by 1023 into 100. Now this will give us a fairly accurate value of the temperature measured. Now you can see the temperature is around 26.3 degrees. As you can see, when I touch it is increasing the temperature value. And now we have successfully interfaced LM35 temperature sensor to an Arduino Uno board. For the second part of the project, what I want to do is interface a 7-segment display and display this temperature on it. I'll just quickly interface the 7-segment display to the Arduino board. For connecting the 7-segment display to the Arduino board, I'll be using the same wiring that I used in my previous project, as I'll be using the same code that I have written for my previous project. In my previous video, I have shown how we can interface a 7-segment display to the Arduino board. You will find the link in the description, or click on the link on the top right hand corner. Now our connections are done. Now for the code, I'll just open the previous code that I have used. In the previous project, we just displayed numbers running from 0 all the way up to 999. This is a part of the code that does that. So what we can do, we can just delete this part of the code and write the code to read the temperature sensor here. Now the variable temp will have the temperature value. The variables A, B and C hold the value of the numbers to be displayed on 3 digits. So now we have all our 3 digits. Let's upload this code and check the output. And now you can see that it is reading a temperature value of about 25.3 degrees Celsius. And now if I touch the sensor, you can see that the temperature is going up. Now reading the temperature from LM35 will be fairly accurate, as long as our calibration is right. So that's it for this project. This project was fairly easy and straightforward. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, check out my other videos, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you. See you again in my next video.